Did you know that garlic could be the key to unlocking better heart health, fighting infections, and even reducing cancer risks? The sad truth is, most people are using it all wrong. From overcooking it to choosing the wrong type, you might be missing out on garlic's full potential. Stick around as we reveal the most common mistakes you're making with garlic and how to fix them, so you can harness its incredible health benefits like never before. Garlic has been praised for its health benefits and culinary uses. Despite its strong smell and garlic breath, these traits are tied to its powerful health-boosting properties. Research shows that garlic's sulfur compounds help fight infections, reduce inflammation, support diabetes management, and lower the risk of cancers like stomach, colon, esophageal, pancreatic, and breast cancer. Overcooking garlic. One of the most frequent mistakes people make is overcooking garlic. Pay close attention to this. There's a saying that goes, "Cooked garlic is lost garlic," and it couldn't be more accurate. When garlic is cooked for too long, it loses its powerful health properties, particularly allicin, its most valuable compound. Allicin is created when fresh garlic is crushed, chopped, or chewed, and it's this compound that delivers most of garlic's incredible health benefits. Overcooking destroys allicin, significantly reducing the impact garlic can have on your health. Allicin is highly sensitive to heat and begins to break down when exposed to temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius. To preserve its health benefits, it's best to add garlic toward the end of the cooking process, or even better, consume it raw. This is a mistake many people unknowingly make, as they don't realize just how delicate and easily destroyed this valuable compound can be. By handling garlic with care, you can ensure you're getting the maximum nutritional value it has to offer. Eating whole cloves of garlic. Another common mistake is eating whole cloves of garlic. While this might seem convenient, it prevents you from unlocking garlic's full potential. To reap all its health benefits, you should crush or slice the garlic first. This process activates its nutrients, particularly allicin, as we discussed earlier. Allicin is only present for a limited time after garlic is crushed or chopped, so this step is crucial. This powerful compound plays a key role in boosting the immune system and safeguarding the body against illnesses like colds, flu, and even heart disease. While the pungent, sharp flavor of raw garlic might not be for everyone, it's undeniably the best way to maximize its medicinal properties. If raw garlic doesn't appeal to your taste buds, consider incorporating it into cold dishes like sauces or dressings, where its beneficial compounds remain intact. Using pre-peeled garlic. Another mistake to avoid is buying pre-peeled garlic. This may be convenient, but it significantly reduces garlic's potency and effectiveness as its beneficial compounds begin to degrade once exposed to air. While pre-peeled garlic might save time in the kitchen, it comes at the cost of reduced health benefits. The allicin concentration in pre-peeled garlic is significantly lower, and it tends to spoil more quickly, impacting both its flavor and nutritional value. Additionally, improperly stored peeled garlic is more vulnerable to contamination by bacteria and fungi, further diminishing its quality and safety. For the best results, always opt for fresh, unpeeled garlic and prepare it just before use. Choosing fresh whole garlic is always the better option, as it lasts longer and retains its full potency. This way, you not only enjoy the freshest taste, but also get the maximum health benefits. Not washing garlic before use. Even though garlic is typically grown underground, many people skip this step, which can lead to lingering dirt or pesticides on the cloves. Make sure to rinse garlic thoroughly before preparing it to ensure you're consuming it in its purest form. Garlic, like many other foods, can have residues from soil, pesticides, or chemicals on its surface. These residues can contaminate other foods or kitchen utensils, potentially increasing the risk of illness. Even if you're not using organic garlic, it's always a good idea to wash it thoroughly before preparation. This helps remove any harmful residues and ensures the garlic is safe for consumption, giving you peace of mind as you enjoy its health benefits. Some people believe that the skin of garlic fully protects it, but it's always better to be cautious and ensure it's clean before consumption. Improper storage. Improper storage can significantly impact garlic's freshness and potency. The best way to store garlic is in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area, away from heat and direct sunlight. It's crucial to avoid storing garlic in the refrigerator, as the cold and moisture can lead to sprouting, which will alter both its taste and texture. By keeping garlic in the right conditions, you can preserve its flavor and health benefits for a longer period. When stored properly, garlic can retain its properties for up to 8 weeks. However, once peeled, its shelf life drops dramatically to just 10 days. Many people don't realize that refrigerating garlic isn't the best option. In fact, doing so can lead to premature loss of its freshness and beneficial properties. Not allowing garlic to stand after cutting. One of the most surprising mistakes people often overlook cook is not allowing garlic to stand after cutting. What does that mean exactly? When garlic is chopped or crushed, its sulfur compounds are released, but they need time to fully activate. Research has shown that letting garlic sit for at least 10 minutes before using it, especially before cooking, allows the allicin to form at its maximum strength. This simple step can significantly enhance the health benefits of garlic, ensuring you get the most out of it. Even if you're planning to consume raw garlic, it's still a good idea to give it some time to sit after chopping or crushing. This ensures that you're getting all of its beneficial properties. This small but crucial detail can make a significant difference in how effectively garlic works in your body, helping to maximize its healing effects. Not considering the possibility of interactions with medications. A lesser-known aspect of garlic is its ability to interact with certain medications, so it's important to be mindful of that when incorporating it into your diet. While garlic is a powerful natural remedy, it can interfere with the effects of certain medications, including anticoagulants, antihypertensive drugs, and blood sugar medications. This interaction may increase the risk of bleeding or cause your blood pressure and blood sugar levels to drop too low. If you're taking any of these medications, it's important to consult with your doctor before consuming large amounts of garlic. Being aware of this potential interaction ensures you can safely enjoy the health benefits of garlic without any unintended side effects. While garlic is undoubtedly a healthy food, it's essential to understand how it may affect your body, particularly if you're undergoing treatment with certain medications. Avoiding these interactions is key to maintaining your health and maximizing the benefits of garlic without compromising other aspects of your well-being. Not choosing the best garlic. Lastly, not choosing the best garlic is another common mistake, and this is very, very important. The quality of garlic you use can significantly impact its potency and effectiveness, so it's worth paying attention to. When purchasing garlic, always choose fresh, firm heads with tight-fitting skins. Avoid garlic that is soft, shriveled, or has started to sprout, as this indicates that it has lost some of its freshness and nutritional value. Good quality garlic should feel firm to the touch and be free from blemishes or visible signs of spoilage. By selecting the best garlic, you ensure that you're getting the most potent and nutritious version, which will deliver the maximum health benefits. Choosing the right head of garlic is the first step in ensuring you get the maximum concentration of bioactive compounds to benefit your health. Health benefits of garlic. It helps lower blood pressure, supports cardiovascular health, and protects cells with its strong antioxidant properties, reducing the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, and certain cancers. It also acts as a natural antibiotic, fighting infections, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Its antiviral and immune-boosting properties make garlic effective against colds, flu, and seasonal illnesses. Additionally, its expectorant and disinfectant qualities aid in relieving respiratory issues like bronchitis or a runny nose. A mix of raw garlic and honey on an empty stomach can strengthen your immune system and provide year-round protection. Garlic is great for digestion too, promoting a healthy gut by balancing good and bad bacteria, which can prevent bloating, constipation, and other gastrointestinal problems. To maximize its benefits, avoid common mistakes like overcooking or improper storage. Properly prepared garlic can enhance your immunity, support digestion, and protect against various diseases, making it a must-have superfood in your diet. Now that you know how to maximize the amazing health benefits of garlic, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Whether you're adding fresh garlic to your meals or trying some raw garlic and honey for immune support, start today and see the difference it can make for your health. Have you been making any of these garlic mistakes? Or do you have a favorite way to use garlic that we didn't mention? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your tips could help someone else discover the true power of garlic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more simple, effective tips to improve your well-being. Your support helps us bring you the best content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.